Title of the story: The Thirsty Crow's Smart Solution. One very hot day, a crow named Crammy flew around looking for water. He was so thirsty. His beak was dry, and his throat felt like sandpaper. He flew over fields, gardens, and houses, but couldn't find a single drop of water. Just when he thought he would collapse from thirst, Crammy spotted a water jug under a shady tree. He flew down to investigate and saw that the jug was almost full of water, but the jug was too narrow for him to stick his beak into. Crammy tried to tilt the jug, but it was too heavy for him to move. He looked around and saw some small stones on the ground. He had a clever idea. He started picking up the stones, one by one, and dropping them into the jug. As the stones filled the jug, the water level started to rise. Crammy's eyes grew wide with excitement. He kept dropping stones into the jug until the water level was high enough for him to drink. With a happy caw, Crammy dipped his beak into the water and took a long, refreshing drink. He felt his strength coming back, and his thirst was finally quenched. Moral of the story: think and work hard. You may find a solution to any problem. Just like Crammy, we can solve our problems if we think smart and work hard. Interesting facts: crows are very smart birds. They are considered one of the most intelligent birds in the world. Crows have excellent memory. They can remember where they found food and water before. Crows are social birds. They live in groups and work together to build nests and raise their babies. Crows can fly very high. They can fly up to 3,000 feet in the air.